Next, we will discuss about CRUD queries. So this is pgadmin I am using, and here these are the existing databases I am having, and I am going to create one database. This is my database, not PostgreSQL. Once you expand this database, you can able to see like database objects like triggers, schemas. So if you expand this schema, okay, so we can have some public, this is default schema, okay, and if you expand this public, then you can able to have tables, okay, functions. There is, this is functions, this is procedures. You can create by right click, create procedure, like that. Okay, so remaining all are we call it as database objects. Okay, views. Now just right click on anyone like tables, triggers, or anything, and go to the query tool, and here you can write queries. First of all, we will write query for creating table. So create table, I'm writing here employee, emp number, this is column name, integer, ename, varchar of 10, salary, integer. So next, dbt number, select it, control A, and this is execute. Okay, execute it. So here data type. So table is created, and select employee. I can have these column names. Okay, and I'm going to create one more table like department, dpt number, integer, department name, varchar of 20, location. So if you have this kind of color for column names, then that is called keyword. So we should not use keywords for column names or table name. So we can use, but it creates some problems. Okay, so location, varchar of 30. Now I'm going to write insert query for that. So create table query and retrieve, how to retrieve. data from table by using select query. Okay, and here syntax is create table. This is syntax, table name, and here column name, data type, column name, data type. Okay, like that you can give the column names along with data types. Okay, now I am trying to write insert query for inserting the data into the tables, like department number, D name, and location. Values. So this is the syntax, like insert into department, table name, department number, D name, location. And here I'm giving 10, department name, IT, and location, Hyderabad. Okay, so execute it and go to this table. I can see the data. Okay, so similarly, I'm going to insert one more record. So if you want, you can select these two queries. Wait a minute, here 30. These two queries and execute it. And you can check department table. You can able to see the data. Okay, so like that we can insert it. Okay, so, and coming to this employee table, write the insert queries, insert into employee and EMP number, e-name, salary, department number, values, employee number 1 I am giving, and employee name A, salary 1000, and department number 10. So I can write insert query like this also for inserting multiple records at a time by using single insert query. D. So I am taking 2 records for each and every department. Okay. So this is about insert query. And update query, update employee, set salary. So I want to update the salary for employee number 6 with 7,000. So 7,000 where employee number equal to 6. Okay, 7,000 is updated. Okay, and this is about update query. Okay, if you want to update multiple columns, you can update it like employee name equal to G, and here salary I want to update 8, and department number I want to update 20. Select it, execute it, and you can see G 8020. Okay, this is about update query. Delete query means delete employee where employee number equal to 6. Okay, see, I'm going to execute it. It will delete one record. You can check that 6th record is not available. Okay, and while using this update, while executing this update query and delete query, so please be careful. Why? Because if you ignore this, if you don't select where condition, then all records will be updated. Like, see, I'm not selecting where condition here. See what will happen. All records are having salary of 8,000. Employee name is G and department number 20. Okay, I will execute it. See, all records are updated with given values. Okay, so that's why be careful while executing update. It simply similarly delete query also. If I execute this delete query without where condition, then all records will be deleted. Then see, we don't have any data. Okay, so if I execute this insert query again, then I can have the data. See, like this. Okay, so this is about CRUD related queries: create table, retrieving the data from table, and updating, how to insert the data into the table. Okay, and how to update the data in a table, how to delete the data from a table. Okay, and this is a query approach, and here you can see the tables in database object, like see department employee table. Okay, if right click on this any one table, then you can have properties, query, PSQL tool. Okay, go to the properties, and here you can edit the table structure. Like, I want to change the table name, then you can write the query, but that is slow process. Go to the right click on the table, go to the properties, and here write the table name whatever you want and save it. Then immediately table name will be changed. Okay, if you want query means here only go to the SQL. This is about query to change the table. Okay, and go to the columns. If you want to edit the column names like this, and see, go to the SQL. This PG admin tool will automatically generate the script for that. Okay, so this is the query for changing the column name. Okay, so like that. So save it and go to properties. Now see this employee 2. Okay, and column names, employee number 1, e-name 1, salary 1, department 1. Okay, and here you can give the data type also. If you want to add one more column, you can add one more column like manager, and here integer, save it and go to here. You can check manager column is created. Okay. If you want to remove that column, then you can remove it. If you want to change this column names, you can change it, and table name also. See, table name is changed and column name is also changed. Okay. So like that, we can write the queries.